skies. Battle Royale. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Dister.
Go take them down.
You wanna gang up? Do 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 you wanna gang up?
Do you know how to shut up?
Oh, I killed 2 people over here.
Nice, good job.
Come over here, let me kill you. What's your name?
Enemy soldier incoming.
I think I hear you. You're on the specialist. Do you wanna gang up? 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 Do you wanna gang
Hi,
up?
little guy.
Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up? Why you run, bro? Why you run? Bro, this is a beach.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Stay alert.
Come on,
Enemy hostile.
Hedo, you want a friend?
in your area.
I want to prank you.
Alright, come on, Tito.
Where you are?
I'm at the specialist area.
Gang up. You wanna gang up?
Come on
Gang
here.
up? You wanna gang up? You wanna gang up?
Watch out, Chuck. Watch out.
You wanna gang up?
Enemy unit with a hand cannon in the immediate
Yeah, go over here and die, bro.
You wanna gang up?
It's a jungle.
Gang up?
Intel picks up an enemy combatant with a hand cannon nearby.
Anybody have a key? Let me have your key.
Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up?
Of course, yes.
Do you wanna gang up?
Of course, yes, bro. Where are you?
Frosty picked up an enemy armed with a hand cannon in the AO.
Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up?
Of
Do you
course I
wanna gang
wanna
up?
gang up, bro. Where you run,
You wanna
bro?
gang up? I'm gang up, Brody.
Intel.
Oh my. No, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, are you fucking with me? Like, Call of Duty, are you seriously letting win on a pistol shot? Like, you guys suck. Hey, clean up all those 30. Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up?
Time to fight your way out of here. Be ready. You're next.
Do you wanna gang up? Do you wanna gang up in a kulak?
Success means redeployment. Failure means elimination.
Whoa, 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 where the fuck are you? Oh, he's a real guy. He just AFK. A real guy, all of it. Is this a real lobby? What am I talking about? There's no bots. This is Battle Royale solo though. This is Battle Royale solo though. What can I do myself? This is Battle Royale solo though, okay? Then we gang up. 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 Why you calling, bitch? Like, damn, you're a real guy, bro.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Everybody's real in this, because this is Battle Royale. I know casual, none of that. Can we gang up? Can we gang up? Well, I'm out of here. I got a key. Yep.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Those people weird. They were fucking crawling. I can hear it. Why you guys crawling? Why you guys crawling, bro? Why you guys crawling, bro? Why you guys crawling, bro? Oh my god! The fuck are you doing?
Yourself off, regroup, and get back out there.
Fuck you, bro. You fucking camper, you pussy. You pussy.
You kill me! I do like this. Look, it do like this. Look, it do like this. Look at you, gun. It do like this. You. That hurt. Where's mine?
Man, let's join this. Change this. Hey. Yo, you're gonna hurt her. What are you guys doing? What? Again. What's the there, go?
Hey.
No B. Ah, gila kau yang. Yes, naman pala ang control na ligay. Oh shit! Oh. Hey, come over here, Yumina. Yumina. Changelis and come too. Hey, come over here, Changelis. Oh,
Check your gear and weapons.
sorry. Oh, give me that. Thank you. Alright, stop playing. Oh.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Survive.
Stronghold. Oh, but yeah, an arbor. So vexed. Just a line.
Get a UAV on grid. Get a UAV in the air.
Thank you, boss. Sila, nga boss na, nga boss ka sa study din na. Laging simple. Hindi ka laging. That's
We've got
good.
10 squads active in the field.
Scan the eyeball, scan the eyeball.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Shinobi military kinsin na. Mga gusto ni Arbor saan guest ka Arbor.
Enemy UAV is online.
Yeah, parang ako hindi.
Setting waypoint.
Papok sila ni Shinobi.
All bounty targets are KIA.
Yeah.
Well
Come on, man.
Ready?
Bang.
Mga kisi na kipok si Arbor,
Keen med.
room se Arbor amni room se na kensi kaya kaya nila. Room sila mag-fly gekla.
Hva?
Mange kine ke room se. I Arbor
Åh,
pang
han lige tar i mig.
Men sen blir det mabana lang ng kisi.
Känner, bang. Sån lite fancy. Mot
Mga
bang.
mga pa eh.
Okay.
Au.
Pamitan yan. Down yung gawin.
Wow.
Wait. What?
You're losing ground. Moving.
Take a look.
Your squad mate is
Overload,
redeploying.
overload.
Get ready. You're in
Yo, madaw niya mga sidang.
under fire. Your squad mate's back on station.
Buddy.
Hindi yung mga hindi na kaya sila. I think it's Hello.
Stay dropping. Adding armor. Switching mags. Back on station. Go get off.
Alright, fuck.
Oh, di ba? Now. Shinobi!
What the fuck?
Oh,
I got
shame.
no days. Oh, that's scary hell. Okay, you get these hellos again. Get up, I'm very survive.
Teka lang. Ay, niya sa play yung mga yan din. Ah.
What a strong move.
Loud to very strong. Ah.
Oh, that go. There's a miracle, boy.
Your squad mate's back on station. You have reinforcements inbound. Deploying shock charge. Switching mags. Enemy PAR. Enemy grenade.
Oh, I downed him. And he downed
Like
me.
one shot.
Lost him by the tower.
Banda.
Di ba tangali?
Back on the AR.
There's even a...
Squad mate's back on
Oh.
station. Good work.
Look, I help you.
You have reinforcements inbound. Eyes up, visual on enemy. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Guns.
Shit.
Enemy soldier incoming. Safe zone. Gas moving.
Alangan.
Your squad mate is redeployed.
First floor.
Inserting armor. Reloading. Enemy advanced UAV is active. Fire sales over. Nothing striking.
go, man. Ooh. Oh, bunch of campers, huh? Oh, mama.
Não sabe, eu vou andar na boa aí, ó.
Oh my god!
Ay, kung dalun.
Eh?
Kung dalun nga siya lawin.
Shanobi. 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 Give us him. Him. Him về. Ah.
We're heading to the war zone. Get geared up. Stand by. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Here we go.
Who the fuck is this guy who John? That's your friend?
It's your friend.
I don't know who that guy is.
I'm that guy.
This Joe.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Guy.
I can tell you are. I can tell you are. If you get more kills than me, I'll send you $25.
No, thank you. Buy some lollipops for me, sir. I would recommend you nothing but money. Buy you some lollipops.
On the roof. It's broke.
You have
Correct me,
reinforcements
correct me.
inbound.
Why are you lying to me?
Enemy soldier incoming.
On the roof, on the roof.
Oh no, motherfucking roof killers.
She went down. Oh, he's over here. What the fuck?
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, motherfucker.
Deployed. Well done. Squad mate back on station. Good work.
There's two teams.
Inserting armor.
On the roof.
TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Ya lo maté, cabrón. Que
Under there, on the roof over there.
Out of there.
Returning you to the front. Urgent. Got gas moving in.
On the roof still.
Yeah, still on roof. Yeah, still on roof. One just landed.
Another one.
Oh shit, one down, one down.
Here, pull it up.
Nice.
One more on the roof.
Fuck, you're killing, you're crazy. You're running away like a bitch.
Let's get stand by for redeployment.
Yeah.
He's cracked. He's cracked.
He's here. He climbed up to the roof. He's on roof.
Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Fuck him up.
Fuck him up, bro.
Still up there? Oh shit. Too bad. Oh fuck.
Inserting armor. You have reinforcements inbound. Switching maps. Redeploy. Enemy UAV overhead. Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy airstrike in.
I'm going for loadout, my boys.
There's a car coming to charge.
Oh,
Come here. Oh no.
people are playing like crazy. Crazy on me, like, fuck.
In the roofie. He's in the roofie. What's my name? In the roofie.
Yeah.
Wow, we lost. He's in the roofie. Bye bye.
Let's go, buddy.
Hey, stop. Hey, wait.
Daddy, stop. Play, Daddy.
DJ.
Oh.
DJ.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment. Under fire.
What you eating? Haktu.
Jagger, do you have a copy?
Haktu. Haktu. Oh shit. Are you guys ready to talk? You're a dangerous guy, huh?
Somebody got down. Reloaded. Where is it?
Sure.
We get more.
Hit that scanner.
Did you hit the scanner? It's inside.
Where's
It's
it
out. It's inside. Bottom floor. You found it? Right.
Oh.
Oh my god, marked it.
A little sleepy.
Switching mags.
Did that boat move?
There's somebody on the fucking. Oh.
Someone on the water. He killing himself.
You still don't have enough?
Did you drop it?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I got a fucking platinum. I got a crimson card. Quite useless.
Greenhouse. I'm gonna throw
Blue
a
house?
cluster up there.
Let's go blue house.
Cluster there. Full team.
You guys gonna get punished. I'm pushing. I told you I was pushing.
You guys are going to get punished.
No, you guys gonna get punished. CJ, hold on. I'm gonna flank his voice.
Oh, that's CJ. That's CJ. Oh no, that's CJ. I thought you CJ was Pyro guy.
Fuck you.
Man, I thought you CJ, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
One. He got down.
Enemy UAV is online.
Where are you? Oh no.
All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job.
Gurgur.
Your squad mates are redeployed. Well done.
Wow, this guy is a queer.
He's oh.
Oh my god, you feel good, yo.
I carry you. I fucking carry your ass. You're so trash. You're the worst. I carried you so hard. Carried your ass. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, that damage.
Hey, there's two. Watch out. There's two, I told you.
There's two. 3.
Watch out.
Goddamn.
Squad mates back on station.
I'm gonna lie to you,
You have reinforcements inbound. There's an airstrike available.
They're back. Are they back on top? What?
My bad.
You good, Tom?
Close the door. Yeah. On the wall.
Yo, ain't no plates in here.
It's right.
One on us.
yeah. Almost killed. We're pushing right here, hold on. One is jumping, on you, Green, on you.
He's dead, bro.
I got you too, the bomb, bro.
Enemy UAV is online.
I don't know what he jumped for, man.
Yeah, UAV bomb.
not-
Gas is moving.
Look, enemy's fucking down.
UAV in the area.
Shot from behind. Goddamn.
Told you not to peek, bro. What did I told you about peeking? That's bad for your health. Look at my panties.
Right.
Redeploying.
Tell him, Guru. One is on top.
Oh wow, where is he at?
Top.
What a cheater.
Oh, I got his stupid ass.
Squad mates back on station. Good work.
Only 4 remain.
Still operational when hang on.
I was lagging.
This shit.
Over there.
Is that Benny? Is that Barry? It sound like Barry.
Another one.
Is that Barry?
No, that's crazy. No, that's not.
No, there ain't no barrier or carry over here.
Oh, I thought it was Barry. Hey, co-worker, bro. Sound like it. Behind you.
Oh shit.
It's crap.
Oh my god. Oh my
Dog, what is this here?
Eat that bitch. Good shit, my boy.
I feel bad, homie.
Barry, good shit, Barry.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Selena, cool. You better chill out. First.
I'm pushing Barry.
I'm pushing you too. You better push hard.
Got you.
I'm the one who's gonna kill him and you die.
I know.
Oh my god, this
What is?
fucking bitch.
Sound like Barry, huh? TJ.
DJ.
What the fuck is going on? There's two in there.
You guys gotta win that. Oh, inside.
On me. Two.
Two. Yo, what the fuck is actually going on?
Oh, what happened to you?
Oh fuck.
Deployed. Well done.
I was looking for a bounty, I ended up picking up that.
Is TJ awake?
Hell no.
They're coming in. Watch out.
Oh my god, man. They're coming in. Underneath us.
I'm gonna
Hilltop. Dead.
Leave no one behind.
Dead or down?
Dead.
Thank you for confirm one day. Are you somebody?
Oh, he do sound like Barry.
Bro, there's people shooting at factory. Do you see that?
What'd you say?
He do
There's
sound
people
like Barry.
shooting at factory.
I swear he does. I thought it was him.
Oh, I thought I got 17. Yeah, bro.
Oh my god, he does that too. Oh my god. I swear you're Barry. Oh my god, Barry, I died. I'm alive.
What the fuck is going on?
Oh my god, that sounds like Barry, bro. Barry.
Oh, one is trying to go flank over there. Look at him. He's starting to sleep.
He's cracked.
Light him up.
Sniper.
What's up? People shooting from top, yo. Yo, Cherry, you gonna die.
Now they're requesting
Yo,
LDBR.
Cherry's gonna die, bro. Cover him. Defend him, bro. Defend him.
They're coming out here, Barry.
Oh, that's a good cluster. In point. Hey, we gotta take care of top.
Factory.
Top.
They're on top.
He's cracked. Oh, cracked.
Down one up there. Down one, another one.
Nice.
Killed one.
Nice.
One in there. Don't go down.
Got him.
One's coughing.
Yeah, what's up? They got cluster on us.
I'm pushing this motherfucker. Oh, down here.
Oh, just one guy.
You got him?
Wait, don't kill him yet.
Oh, he got punished.
Finish him. Wait. Don't kill him.
Bro, he got outplayed. You guys gotta see this. Oh my god.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. What a weakling. Good job, Barry. Barry, 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 Barry. Barry, Barry, Barry.
Use this time for some target practice.
Yeah, that's funny as fuck.
Alright, guys, do the same. We be alright. What's your phone, Joe? Dempsey, where you guys from?
Philippines, bro? Where you from? Puerto Rico?
I'm from Pasayo, sir.
Where, bro? Sorry, couldn't hear you.
Pasayo.
Oh, I don't know where that at, bro.
Where you from, bro? Philippines, Peru?
From your heart,
You
bro.
wanna go?
I'm from your heart.
Okay.
Are you from Marshall or something? Why you sound like a Marshall, you fool?
From your heart. PA?
Marshall.
Yeah, okay, PA.
I got some family from Marshall, you sound like one of them.
For real?
Yeah.
Maybe I am your family, bro.
Yeah,
My
maybe they
brother.
found you, that's why I'm asking you.
Oh, no. Philippines, bro. Philippines.
That's what's up. That's
Right here. Nice. Good shit. Oh, you're so quick. Why's your body like that? So quick. Oh.
Whoa, why you talk like that?
Bro, why is he hiding?
No, watch out.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Why the fuck you drop it?
I'm on the roof.
Yeah, he's on the roof. Hey, top. He's in there.
Hey, that's your name, William.
What?
Talk.
Top. Nice top.
What's my name?
Top.
That's how we do it, again. We don't hide.
In front of you. CJ, in front of you.
DJ.
Bottom.
Yeah.
Behind me.
Got one.
Nice. No, he was following me.
One landing.
That shit
On
was
the roof.
ugly.
On the roof again.
Nigga,
Alright, relax. Relax.
Nigga.
Okay.
This one top. That's not top. Bear on top.
Area is crazy.
He's right here, Barry.
No, it's me. I'm landing.
He's cracked, Barry.
Oh,
Nice.
never mind. You got it.
Bottom.
Yeah, I want to try
Bottom. It's
Why
up.
you
Gun
love
right
it?
here. I see him.
Nice.
Bottom top. TJ on you. Behind you.
Oh shit. Nice,
One
nice.
chopping on the area. On top of you. On top of you. Top.
Oh, what the hell is
Nice. Good shit.
Playing teams, they give me some guns.
I think I'm dead. He's on me.
They're shooting dominant hot. Understand?
Where is he? Where is he?
He's on top of the building. Right here. He's cracked. He went down. He went around again.
Greenhouse.
Underneath that stuff.
Hey, how the fuck? How the fuck?
Oh, wow.
Vaya la María.
No on top.
On the big building. Big building.
Oh shit, they all on
One down
top.
here. Oh, whoa. Ah, that was on the stairs. What the fuck?
Wow, he's cracked me. There, Barry. Nice one.
Very the cherry.
Yeah, he's actually a cool guy, man. I'm not trying to joke you or anything. He's a cool guy at work.
No, that's
And you
cool.
sound just like him, though. Yeah, he's
I
a really good guy. It's
Those poor guys on top of factory. Getting real
That's me. That was Arbor.
Alright, let's go get loadout, guys. People right here.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm overloading.
I down
Oh,
one.
never mind.
I down one.
You down one?
Yeah.
Down
Oh,
another
I
one.
carried you there, pick up right now.
He's here. Oh, he went down. Why? Oh my gosh, bro.
You have reinforcements inbound. Hostile shooter.
They're up top.
Reloading. Eyes on enemy. Cancel that. Visual on enemy.
On the roof.
Yeah.
One dropping on you. On you, Beanie. Knock.
Still one on the roof. Another one dead.
Disco, what
two
the
of them.
fuck? Oh, didn't they do so far? They're gonna school.
10 remaining.
the fuck, dude? What's that?
Let's get back on station. Don't get off.
Bro, this guy's gonna stay up forever. Fuck that, I'm gonna go up and fight.
UAV is online.
I think I'm banned, TJ. I think I'm banned from the
Hostile UAV
Oh my god.
Surgeon's window is ending. Watch your six.
Go on top, watch out, Yellow.
The whole team left up.
Help me, bro.
Down.
Nice.
Dead, one dead.
Switching back.
I don't even know what to
Go ahead, I'ma push them. I'ma push him on top.
Cracked.
I'ma push him on top. Push him. Push him.
do. One is there. Nice.
They're all dead.
White team.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh,
Oh wow. Granny.
About the third party.
yeah.
I'm dead. How the fuck was he? How the fuck did he do that?
Cause he do that shit.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
I mean, I was rip, snipe.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
There's another team dominating.
Strike rate to be restocked.
Upper side.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh.
Incoming LDBR. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy advanced UAV is active.
Are you safe, Jammer?
Yeah. Take your time. You don't need to about me. Okay.
Outside the safe zone. Enemy deployed an advanced UAV.
Yeah. What y'all want to do? Straight, right side, left side. He's cracked. We can slow down. Push left. We might need to take this inside this house, bro.
Precision airstrike standing by.
They're fighting.
Five squads still operational with the AR.
They're on tower.
Yeah. I might go up.
You can wait it out. The circle's about to close.
Yep.
Head to the safe zone.
Yeah, that one team that was over here somewhere. Bottom.
Yo.
Bottom. Pushing out, they're pushing. Right, under. Liping, behind.
On me. Wow!
It's all on you. Stay alive.
I don't know how I fucking lost that. I don't know. I lost.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Resurgence. Stay alive.
Where we heading? Right here? Y'all want this? Do you guys really want it? Do you guys want it or what?
I got my one. Fuck you.
Oh, there's two.
Stay alive.
Alright. We are done.
Okay.
That was the quickest. The
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch your side.
go. Let's fuck this shit up. Come on. Ah, fuck my butt hurt. This fucking seat.
It's only
Sing that fucking shit, bro. Come on, stuff.
like that about. Alright, we're getting started, Charles.
Oh, my bad.
My bad too.
Pre-game music. Pre-game.
What you say?
I said my bad too.
Let's win this shit then.
Oh,
Let's win this
what
shit.
Wait, where are we dropping? Oh,
When
shit.
did this map change? There's no crash.
Let's win this
no
game,
more?
bro.
The boxes.
Come on, let's win this shit. Stop playing.
Lock in.
Oh, we gonna
there's-
lock in. We gonna lock in.
Bro, there's no
I'm telling
crash
you, we
no
gonna-
more or something?
Crack. All you. On me. He's crack. I got him. Don't worry. I got it.
No need backup, huh? Like that about
No.
Run this. What the fuck, Bo? There's a captain.
It's Captain Stennis arriving.
Captain Stennis. John Stennis arrived. Arriving, huh?
Yeah.
How many T?
Huh? Outside.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
I'm finna get your ass, boy.
Where are you guys?
Oh my
Come here, bitch.
water.
Come here, don't go nowhere.
Shut your ass up, coming behind me and act like.
Another one, me?
Go ahead, Red.
Yep. One's on top T. I'ma handle him.
Whoa, why you shit like that, bro?
My fault. I mean to.
Tripping, bro.
He did.
You're not tripping. You're killing me.
I love you, bro.
Bro is up here. He's up here. On me. On my body. Bottom. Towards the bottom. Yes, sir.
What is
Good
going
shit,
on
Tom.
now?
One more.
One just subbing in. Top money.
I'm pushing up.
On the wall. He's coming.
They're pushing from the boat.
They are.
Get a gun.
They're on the bottom.
Oh my god.
Two in here.
Oh wow.
I'm
Don't die,
good.
please. You kill one, we win. Oh, run.
Oh! You mother.
Are we alive?
Hell no.
Enemy soldier incoming. Use this time for some target practice. Now you deploy to the war zone. Resurgence. Stay alive.
That was close. Inserting armor. Requesting recon above.
Get a UAV on grid.
Switching mags.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Head hunt.
I got the key, y'all. The guy on the water is the one who got the key. Cover me, I got the key, bro.
Enemies are
Trying to
dropping
kill
into
me.
the area.
Another one following me, bro. Another one, cover me.
Marking the rest of them.
There's another one, on the water. On the water, there's another one.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Let me throw this loadout on the zone, huh? I got specialists. It's over there or something.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Get to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it.
I cannot open the specialist.
Enemy advanced UAV overhead.
TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
We got one right there.
You have reinforcements inbound. Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO. Stand to 10. Win this thing. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Yeah, another one. Nice. I know what he's talking no more, bro.
Weapons free.
Yo, CJ, bro, what the hell?
other targets during contract timeline.
Down front, down front.
UAV on grid.
Precision airstrike ready for tasking.
Target marked. Send it.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Switching man.
I'm just landed over here.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. Well done. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Impact going out. Get down, frag. Taking fire.
Oh, fuck, there's two? What the fuck, dude?
Gas is moving. TACOM, I need eyes overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Not this time, you son of a bitch. Reloading. I'm here.
People on the fire station. Down there on the ocean. He's on top, yeah.
Inserting armor.
Five station prices are adjusted.
Under fire.
Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Enemy soldier incoming. Gas is closing in. 1 squad left. 5 squads still operational.
Spotted enemy gas mine.
Oh my god. I did not see that,
Fire
bro.
sales done. Prices are back to normal.
It was so slow.
All bounty targets.
It's on.
Hell of a job.
Stop!
Stand by for redeployment. Back on station.
Loading new mag.
Additional contracts online. Move to the safe zone. Gas is inbound. It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can deploy.
Taking fire. Hostile in.
LTVR inbound. Enemy UAV is online. Got gas moving in. Only 5 remain.
What the f?
I couldn't hear shit too. It was like.
I was like, why is everybody so quiet? I kept talking, I didn't hear nobody.
Yo, I was talking. Hello?
Yeah. What the hell?
I couldn't hear nobody. What the fuck?
I heard
That
you
was a
moving
good.
earlier.
That was a good silent game though.
Thanks.
We was not communicating, but we got it that far. It was weird.
Let's do it again. It is.
Okay. Okay.
Well, I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Okay, you're just fucking with me. You're an asshole, TJ. Oh my god. I think I just sharded.
That's
I think I just shorted, honey.
nah, you're dirty.
I think I shorted. Well, you're not sick of me.
Oh, it's working.
Yo, what the fuck? What's working? The bet?
Oh, yeah.
My bet ain't working no more.
No shit, that's 2 teams.
And? Is that a problem? Fix it!
No,
That's
I'm just
no
saying.
problem. That's no problem, baby.
Oh, damn.
Hey, bro. Leave it to me. Bro, leave this.
Leave this place to you? Alright. Alright, Jammer, all you.
Leave this place to me, bro.
Alright. I'll see you in control. Oh shit. Fuck.
I'm dead ass. Leave this place to me.
I already took one. I'm by loading.
Fucking 2. Fuck you guys.
One's on the bunk, or whatever the fuck that is.
I think I'm
He's cracked.
Oh, I got shot. You piece of shit!
Are you getting shot from the back?
Hey, yo. Didn't say that.
Inserting armor.
Holy shit!
Come forward.
Allow me.
Oh my god, can you quit watching? God
Bottom.
damn.
Is that a problem, Jim? Is that a problem?
No, never.
Is that a problem?
Never was a problem, bro.
Oh shit.
You suck, bro.
Did you bet? Why is it sweaty out of nowhere?
That's just my lobby.
We can't be losing this easy. We can't be losing this easy, boys. Come on. Turn the fuck up.
Hey, tower. Dude, I need plates. Oh. Not answered.
Oh my god.
Yo, that guy's going crazy. Run, Bear.
Get his ass!
You?
Drop it somewhere else. Shit, code. Have factory? Yeah.
Man down. Get me back in the fight.
Almost there.
Alright, let's fire loading.
Need one
Send the
more.
eyeball, send the eyeball, cool.
Now we got it. Bye.
What are you ready for?
Load it. Huh? That's crazy.
What did he say? Your money, sir. Oh, no.
BT's on the fire.
You got more than enough.
More than enough.
Right there.
Hasta suono tudo.
Target marked. Send it.
Yeah, I think I'm banned from this player lounge.
Oh.
Good. Can't even find a
pushing
bot.
your ass. How the fuck did you plant there, Tuck? Tuck, how did you do that? From where?
I was on the roof of a factory. Where's that shot from?
Tuck, show me how you did that.
Oh my god. Where am I getting shot from?
Oh,
Shot from
I thought that was us.
Oh, headquarters. I downed the guy on the roof.
You say you getting shot from where?
I'm coming over.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's
Another.
on your ass.
Fuck did I just get shot from?
I downed the guy out there. He's about to res him. Headquarters roof. Above you.
Loading new mag.
This boy don't know how to go up there. Like, what's going on?
Oh, he's off
God
the
damn. You missed the ladder earlier.
I don't know how to get up. One's dropping in.
There's one bitch on me.
Is that a problem?
Nope.
I'm going off right now, dude. Get out of my face.
Switching
Yeah,
mag.
that's you. Oh, no mind. Tense.
On me.
Trying to res. We're gonna shoot at them. Trying to res. Alright.
I'm there.
Oh wow. How the fuck did he got me?
Oh my god.
Cluster.
I got the whole team on me. They're intense.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? This guy's ass. Yo, 0 kills still is crazy. What are you doing?
Reloading.
Above you. Yeah, that's all you.
Visual on enemy.
Yes, sir.
Close.
Oh, there's someone taking.
I feel
Bruh. Nah.
I drop a cluster.
Bro, stop hating.
Pushing. I drop a cluster over there.
Taking fire.
Oh, I'm getting hit.
From where? The bat?
Always. Hey,
Wait, what?
On the buy. Watch out for the sniper on prison roof. Got it ass. Oh, inside, third floor. Fuck.
Back at it.
I down one outside by the buy.
Good.
I don't know if we got self or not.
yes,
No,
sir.
not me.
Too easy.
Not me. Don't do me like that.
Don't do it like that.
Don't do me like that.
Alright, that's enough.
You're a fuck boy, don't.
That's enough. Yo, get advance, Jim. Yeah, 1800.
You guys want me to get
Yeah,
loaded?
18,000. Oh, you want Lodi? You need Lodi?
I don't know. I already got that.
Yeah, I'm good on Lodi. Another UAV. Holy.
Man, why the fuck they all in fucking jail?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's fuck them up. Show them no mercy.
Oh shit.
Sir.
Right below.
I think we're the one getting shown no mercy.
Gotta go left. Go back. Oh my god.
Serious. You're not surviving that shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, he fucking survived. Oh, he's down again. Roof. They're rezzing. Fucking bitch.
Oh my god, there's so many on me.
What the fuck?
Use it.
I fucking hate bombs, dude.
I'm not losing this.
I knew I should have bet this game.
Burn, bitch.
That's it. That's the last one.
Oh shit.
Requesting recon above.
I didn't realize that was the last team. Push it, William. I'll push him with you.
I'm gonna play him.
Actually, never mind. The whole team,
I'm gonna play him. Oh no, he got my ass.
Yeah.
I should have never flanked him.
I down one up there. Well, he's about to get picked up. Hey, just go to circle.
You can get me. Can you get me, Taki?
Hey, Taki, can you get me?
Damn, I was about to sneak up
There's
on
only
them.
two. There's only two. Oh no, it's three.
I'm up. I'ma see who. I'ma mark them.
Yeah, mark him. Buy airstrike. I'm gonna buy airstrike. Cover, William.
Broke them.
They're on top right here.
They got airstrike.
Oh, they're
Go.
front PA.
PA.
Ooh. I want another one right here.
Look at us. Gonna stare at us.
I can't even throw mines yet.
Oh
I can't
my
throw
god.
Down, he's down. Pushing yellow.
I got
Oh
PA
no,
on.
another one. Oh. He's here.
Damn.
Bro,
Oh,
what
no,
the fuck
top.
is that? Bro, what? Behind.
Take your time.
Fuck this team.
Take your time.
They foreman pushing my ass.
Just one. Just get one kill.
Behind you, Tuck. Oh, they're getting choked. Oh wow, good play. I'm getting my kill, fuck that.
God damn.
That was an A1 team, huh?
That's some good ass time, you know. I'm thinking.
Body like a cold bottle. And with every drink, I can help but think how smooth you come down, yeah. Girl, I love your flavor. You're the rock star after that, yeah. Sun to come when I need to be held. So in love with you, girl. 'Cause I'm so from your love, girl, I'm buzzing. And I can't get enough of your beat. Yo.
The reason I'm an alcoholic.
You are most definitely an alcoholic.
That's some
Alcoholic.
You're the drinking body.
Game on.
How come we never win? How can we never win a game? Ridiculous.
No, put
I'm
too
dropping
much.
prison.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna get 20 kills this time.
Bro, come on. Bro, don't do that to me.
Enemy dropping.
Where y'all?
Oh,
Where y'all?
where? Somewhere.
And then it's like two of
On
y'all.
you?
That don't make no sense.
I got him, I got him.
Here, another one.
Got one hiding here.
Up top.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Coming.
I'm about to punish every one of these folks over here.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Get the fuck out
Set
of
up
here.
top.
Wow.
Yeah, on the roof.
Oh, there's a guy over there.
Oh, fuck out of here.
What's that song say?
Squad mate is redeployed.
Bro, fuck you,
What
dude.
the fuck? CJ on you. On top of the building.
Fucking art still on the bottom.
What the fuck? He's not.
Come up here, bro. Come up and shoot.
Squad mates back on station. Good work. Nine left. We've got 10 squads active in
Hello?
the field.
Oh, over there.
Oh, I'm about to ask you what you're trying to play, but I see y'all.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a guy shooting in the back. Yeah.
Oh my god. No way. Oh shit.
How? That makes sense.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
What the hell?
Ellie?
Ellie? Halle Burger? What the
Halle
hell?
Burger?
Oh, I'm dead. I'm finally dead. Okay, cool.
Capture it for information on the next gas screen. Squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Oh my god, there's a lot. What the fuck?
Pick up the contract.
Got it. Cook.
That was you.
No. Do you need it? Do you need that contract?
Nah, but
Oh my god, I wish I could fucking bet again.
What the fuck?
No, I-
Cluster from the tall with
Jesus.
shots. I'm coming straight to that stupid.
Oh, I'm about to say he got
tall
finesse.
Oh, bro,
Fucking
let me get
sweaty
one.
ass lobby.
You think he's just gonna stay there and keep shooting us from below? You motherfucker. What are you waiting for? Run, nigga. Yeah, I know you're gonna jump like with me.
We need to stay together. I'm gonna stay wait, talk.
Team Mac ready.
Behind you, talk, come on. Come on, talk, open field.
Oh, behind me. On the roof, on the roof, on the roof. Oh, where y'all at?
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Look at you kill.
Turn around, dummy. Why you so stupid, huh?
Hello, I'm out of plates. Well,
You said, why you so stupid? This shit lagging.
Oh, they're pushing you.
Wow, they're fucking crack holes.
Yeah, I'm out of ammo.
I'm dead.
And I'm out of plates. Oh.
Yeah, bitch.
Trying to make a play for the goddamn loadout.
Them people right there think they're good, bro.
Yeah, nah.
That's why we wear the same
They're
fucking
here.
operator, you stupid bitch.
Ah,
you
you
thought I
piece of
was
shit.
down. Come here. Come here, you too, baby.
Let's go.
Courtyard.
Ah, damn, you ain't telling me it was loadout wasn't safe.
Bro, you saw me running or no?
What's up?
Going to
You down?
Oh,
He
he got
going,
one of bed.
someone going up ladder.
Thank you for the lights.
They're watching that loading.
Damn, girl, you bitch.
Like hell. Above you, on your right.
Right, William?
Get the fuck out, motherfucker.
Oh, he low as fuck. God damn.
Hunt them down.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm not going to load up. That's it. That's enough.
No, keep going, keep going.
Jamsies. Chill the fuck down, Jamsy.
Oh my god, he dropped
Okay.
on me. You're a bitch.
You can take right here.
Somebody just died.
Oh shit, never mind.
Yeah, I think I heard.
There's a report me to his boyfriend.
Your squad mate is
Good boy holding that tower low. I'm about to.
Oh, shit.
Ah.
Oh, you
Holding
bitch.
that tower like crazy. Yo.
See you, dude. You alone.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Just drop down there. Drop down
Alright, TJ.
there. Yo.
September 15th. We're back at Ticoca.
You have reinforcements.
6 to 2:30, bro.
Actually?
Yeah, September.
Who told you
6th.
that?
Right. Earlier.
September 15th?
Yeah.
Damn. Why?
Oh my.
I don't know.
God. I hate this shit.
Oh, I got
Is
flash.
that a good thing or a bad thing? What do you think?
I think that's a
fucking
good
flash,
thing.
bro.
Hey, can I have you?
Oh my god. Fuck you.
How many?
Only her.
Two teams fighting up there, bro.
It's only one her. Hold on.
What were you about to do?
Better Diddy.
That's what I felt like. He said, yeah. No, that was crazy.
Heck, what are you doing? That's why I said stop doing that.
Squad mates are in the safe zone.
How to use this pistol.
You're
Give me
losing
some.
ground. Moving.
Homie.
Fuck it.
Homie.
I'm with you, I'm with you.
Where?
On top.
We're up top.
Top five.
Two different teams fight.
Squad still operational.
Like I said.
Fire sales done. Try to come back to normal.
Maybe a triple.
Up. PA.
Load out.
I'm out.